Hello, hi dear guys, welcome to on my YouTube channel. I am come back with the new video, new perspective to the learning the English. Today I am gonna to share about how to speak English very fluently and easy way. So many people they wanna to speak the English fluently, but they are hesitate, and as well they are too in the beginning. In that sometimes we feel like I am not very good in that language because the I'm so hesitations it happens. But don't forget that you are a human being. There is no any software. Like for example, in your brains, there fit only informations about your native language. Because right now I'm speaking on the basis of the past. Like for example, whatever that's informations in my mind, that to already have to pass. I have listened. I have read or something. There to information already I was capturing before. That's why I'm to speaking right now. You can also speak the very good in English. In there is also why not. Just be a practice and be a consistent persistence. What's your dedications? Definitely you can speak the English fluently and easy way. Most of the time, what's happened there, two persons are feel like I can't speak any word of the English like in front of the mostly other persons. You know sometimes it's feel is also it's all the people they are to learning the right now English. It happens almost the all people. That's why you don't give up and be a consistent, be a practice. This is the most important thing, speaking the language. Thank you so much and subscribe my channel all dear friends.